Ever since its inception, Midea has been a creative innovator, always evolving with the times. Within only a few decades, Midea rapidly expanded into the overseas market deeply. Midea is the leading washing machine manufacturer in China that dominates both domestic and overseas market share. Made possible thanks to the mighty production power of Midea Laundry. Midea Laundry production facilities located worldwide. The Wuxi factory, located in eastern China. Production at Wuxi factory is fully automated, all thanks to our exceptional robotic production line. With the assembly line powered by world-renowned Scott automation, each product is assembled with utmost accuracy. Armed with robot technology, our productions are meticulous and perfect. Smart, precise, and efficient. Our production process is designed to be efficient and capable. Wuxi Factory, a global pioneer in automated production and manufacturing. Neighboring Wuxi, our Hefei factory boasts the largest production capacity, encompassing 566,700 square meters. A high-capacity, high-efficiency facility, Hefei factory satisfies the market's diverse demands with its flexible production planning. The large production pipeline strives for excellence. With a powerful production capacity, backed by machinery of all classes, and complete quality control over every product, our Hefei factory continuously manufactures high-quality Midea products for the entire world. Bangkok, Thailand. Using a modeling and simulation software, Midea virtually plans the best equipment for its production lines, ensuring that production is efficient, safe, and smooth. We have an exceptional team of designers and development engineers to support our immense production capabilities. With industry-leading designs, Midea is the forerunner of expertise. Blueprints and material mock-ups are made simultaneously to ensure quality control over materials, aesthetics, and user experience. Midea's laundry machines are made to be appealing yet practical. Our Advanced Technology Center is consistent of 791 professionals recruited worldwide. Providing Midea's washing machines with state-of-the-art technology, with billions of dollars in research investment, we pioneer products that are progressive and innovative. We want our machines to be perfect. We are always exploring and testing our components. Our years of cutting-edge research and development are recognized by over 2,000 patents, a validation of our product excellence. Midea also established a complete quality management system, which focuses on the comprehensive testing of each machine and its components' reliability. Every component must pass quality control. Every product must be a work of excellence. In 2017, Midea entered a strategic partnership with KUKA, a leading supplier in the robotics industry. Two industrious industries coming together to accelerate Midea's global growth. Midea's product is sold in over 166 countries and regions, all while being ranked as the top 3 exporter in every major continent. Since 2013, Midea's global sales have been growing exponentially. Every year, countless certifications and awards recognize the excellence of Midea's products and the teams that made the excellence possible. Midea Laundry Appliances will always be an optimistic, practical, and innovative enterprise. Midea Laundry continues to provide exceptional products. Midea Laundry constantly creates value for our stakeholders. Midea Laundry ceaselessly creates a better life for our users. Adapting, evolving, and leading the future. We will never rest on the path of advancement. Midea Laundry, enhancing your life.